One TV special report.
Honorable Bendijo, yes, reactions from Honorable Suizo, our committee chair on housing and resettlement.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. This has been quite a few times that nag-conduct sa investigative hearing, and then we have heard coming from our manifestation from Mr. Willie Chong regarding his sentiments, and we have gone to it. We have learned na daghan po ay mga loopholes, daghan gray areas nga dapat po ay natotagan og concern. And then, in fact, atong pagpangutana ni Attorney Tapay regarding magbayad bagyod ang tagagangong residence ni Mr. Chong kung moagi sa right of way ni anak man atong city legal officer na there's no need to pay. Na-clarify po nato nga should there be any damages kung kuan mo refuse si Sir Willie Chong, niingon po ang city legal officer nga yes, pwede siya liable for a particular nominal damages. So we have heard also the sentiments sa gango regarding sa pinakagusto ra gyud nga tumong aning atong hearing, which is matagaan ba gyud silang agianan o easement, whether kang Mr. Chong, kang Sir Sibalias o katong sa mga madre. Ako na yung last nga question, Madam Chair, I wish to be enlightened is that may we ask our city legal officer regarding the possession of the mayor. Okay, I think they've been talking this last kagabi or last few days regarding the possession of our local chief executive on this particular concern. May we ask Attorney Cassie about this? Kung unsa yung final word ni mayor regarding this issue. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Suizo. Yeah, actually, we have exhausted so much already on our discussion. And at this point in time, we may hear from our legal minds from the Office of the City Mayor regarding this particular concern.
Madam Chair.
Yes, I'm giving the floor to the...
Am I coming
Yes,
already,
right.
Madam Chair? Okay, so our mayor, as a lawyer, also is saying that what he wants is the law to be followed, and that the law provides that Mr. Chong should honor the easements, and that the Purukdos resident should be able to use the right of way. We're not saying, we're not trying to vilify Mr. Chong. I understand his concerns, and I think we all understand his concerns, but am I allowed to say a personal
Honorable Chair, I
experience?
think the legal officer is not allowed to speak for the mayor. The mayor has his own wisdom on the matter. Honorable
Okay,
Chair.
so next, who is raising her hands? Yes, Honorable, you're raising your hands, Honorable Waminal.
We cannot ask the legal officer to express
Speak in behalf of the mayor.
the mayor's wisdom. We don't have the right.
Okay, Honorable Waminal, you have the floor now.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, everyone. I understand the situation of Mr. Chong. There is only one thing na nakahatag og heartache niya na sayod ta tungod lang sa tower. Ihapon ang right atong girespeto ang right sa tower ato pong girespeto. Ang napiktahan ang mga katawan. Sagdilang mga constituents ng Kapurukdos, at least we did our best. Someday ang inyong pag-antos kay Naibalumi na dili kampante inyo ang gianan. I've heard na pipilaran adlaw naray kapalit sa inyong pag-antos. Ang importante among gibuhat ang tanan. Wala may mapasagad diri sa ISP kay nakita na mo ang inyong pagsudong. Among nisanat na sinati pila mo katawo diya. Kung naay mga problema na mga importante, dili kayo kampante inyo gianan. Labi na nahitabo sa inyong prok. So, gamayng pasensya lang, number of days, dali ani, sa gingon pa, sa ni attorney ganina, nga medyo gamayng pag-antos na lang yun. Basta importante, we did our best. Paabot na lang ta. Thank you, Madam
Thank you
Chair.
of your manifestation, Honorable Minar. Majority Floor
Honorable Chair,
Leader.
we have heard already all stakeholders Sir Willie Chong has made his final say, final word,
Yes.
and the barangay was able to express their sentiments, Honorable Sir.
Yeah,
And we are adequately briefed by our legal officer regarding the legal implications. It's now high time for us to decide. Honorable Sir, so with that, we can dispense with our visitors today, or if they want to remain and witness our proceedings, they may do so. But we do not want to waste their valuable time sitting with us for the rest of our proceedings. I move to resume the roll so that we can deliberate this matter, Honorable Sir.
You have manifested that we would like to hear from Mr. Chung his last word.
We can resume the rules and deliberate on this matter.
Okay.
And in the meantime, we can excuse our visitors,
Yeah.
not to waste their time, their valuable time. But if they want to remain here and witness our proceedings, they can do so. So they wish to do so. Honorable Sir.
Okay. So we have to proceed now.
We resume the rules to deliberate
So we will not allow any more
the committee
Mr.
of the
Chung.
whole. We resume the rules, Honorable Sir.
Okay. We will not allow any more Mr. Chung to say something for his
Final word?
final word.
I thought he has given his final word.
Yeah.
Oh,
For your final word, you have done it. For your final word, Mr. Chung, before we resume our rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. As I've said, ang easement was provided willingly by me until lang such time ulit ako. So,
Okay.
whatever, I just like to emphasize that although there are options, there are options. Certainly, nga ko lang unta, the most convenient option is mine, because it's been there. But honestly, masay bitaw butangan i-factor in po nato bitaw kinsay morally obliged ani.
Okay.
So ang ako lang, Madam Chair nga, for example, ako lang kasakitan, Madam Chair, because the very people who caused this problem, who profited from this, have the audacity to even make a harang, a roadblock, nga usahay, ako lang pangutana ni, i-address na ko through ni mo, Madam Chair, nga natingala ko ni Kapitan, nga nung wala man ka nag-effort to talk
Yes,
to
for-
these
for
people.
your last word in a way.
So I
Okay.
hope nga
Enlightened.
nakita na ko nga it should be done in a way nga there is a specific way of dealing this binarangay ba wa man siya effort ani gani mga tawanan istorya. So mao ra na ako, Madam Chair, nga ang akong option is not really the best option all the time.
Okay.
I mean, bura ako ngayon na, I mean, I pray for this the council na they should make an open-minded about what really the best option for everybody. Thank you.
Thank you for your manifestation, Mr. Chung. For the last word also from the Barangay Kapitan, before we resume our rules, you may have your final word.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Sa pagkatinuod, nag-effort jud mi, Mr. Willie Chong. Kay pag ingon niya atong February, that was February 13, pag sirado gyud niya, mga 3 days gyud. Gipatawag nako ang residente, gipatawag nako sa si Balios na mangga dire o si Phil. Una nako gipatawag kay about ani nga problema. Then ingon ang kuan ni Phil nga dili sa sila mo hatag og final nga decision unless unahon na mo si Balios kay
Okay. For your final word, because everything has been discussed already.
I'm sorry. So, my final word is kami mag-ampo or maghinaot nga masolusyonan ang problema sa Purok 2.
Okay.
Mura na, Madam Chair.
Thank you. At this point in time, we may dismiss our visitors because we are going to resume our rules. Okay, thank you for your presence this afternoon. Salamat kayo, mga tinahod na mo mga bisita. Thank you so much for your time. And at least nakapagawas mo sa inyong mga pagbate. Session is resumed. Committee hearing na
Honorable Chair, thank you. Now, we have heard everybody. As I've said a while ago, this august body has no power to order anybody to open or close his property. Honorable Chair. But we have the power to decide on what is the best option. There is a recommendation by the committee chaired by Honorable Siso, the Critical Working Committee, which we created as a committee of the whole, and they made the recommendation that the first option is the best option for a road right of way by the residents of Puerto Gango. So, we decided on that. Whether we concur or not, the recommendation, the first option is the best option. I hope everybody was familiar with the first option. Katong agi sa yuta Espiga, ni Phil, then yuta ni Willie Chong. Muna yung first option. Muna yung recommendation sa Critical Working Group headed by Honorable Siso and composed also of Engineer Adanik, Ma'am Melissa Prince, and Sir Samuel Kistota. So we have to vote by nominal voting if we concur or adopt the recommendation of the Critical Working Committee that the first option is the best option for the road right of way of the residents of Port of Dos, Gago, San City, Honorable Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader of your manifestation. Yes, you may add something. The chairperson of this particular special committee, Honorable Suiso, before we go on the voting.
Yes, Madam Chair. When we vote, ang atuwag yung butaran is we need nga dapat na nagyoy makaagi na gyud og tarong ang ato ang mga katawan sa Purok Dos. Ang atong purpose sa pagbotar is not that kanang because mo ni graduate sa personally sa usa ka tawo, mo ni graduate sa isa mo nang nakapikto 460 kapin ka mga tao. So I encourage akong gihangyo akong mga kauban nga colleague nga unta kung mobotar ta atong hatagan og pamaagi nga masulbad nga makaagi na ang katawhan sa Purok Dos. Thank you very much.
So the voting will be, I concur with the recommendation of the committee on the first option. And you can explain your vote. Ako, second option ko kay mo ni. Ako, third option ko mo ni. Ako, I concur with the first option kay mo ni.
Okay.
Ano ba siya?
Ako, I think, Mr. Secretary,
Yes, Madam Chair. The nominal voting will be regarding the recommendation of the Technical Working Committee regarding the first option.
To concur or not?
To concur or not. Madam Chair, may I call on Honorable Puente Cipres?
So, thank you to our Secretary for asking. I concur for the first option kay ang first option siya mong unta ang pinaka-best no na way para aron as well as the four wheels na mga sakyanan maka-pass by dito. But tungod lang kay sa sentiment lagi ni Mr. Willie Chong, ang problema ram gid niya iyang yung gisulti ganiha ang dito. So Madam Chair, nala ko'y pangutana gamay kay murag wala gid ni siya na raise pod na pangutana dito kang Sir Fiel ba regarding sa kaning tungod ra man gid aning sa dito na problem na istoryahan ba na sa barangay between Fiel and Mr. Chong and the Kapitan kung dili ba to ma-revoke ang ilahang kaning contract sa dito, dili sad mosugot daw ang dito?
Wala tayo power na ako nga. Sa court tagin na. Pali kasi sa court para ma-revoke. Kaya makadaot sa unsa ba? Whatsoever
Sa
reasons.
contract.
Oh.
Okay. So, for me, ang first option mo ay pinaka-best way na kaning para sa mga tao na may ilang agianan. That's all.
Thank you, Honorable Cypris. Noted.
Honorable Lim.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I concur sa first option tungod kay una, nag-exist na gid siya nga mo ay gigamit. Ikaduha, I trust our legal team kung ang gi-raise ni Sir Chong is regarding sa loans, so atoan ng legal team na pod ang kabaluan na. And ikatulo, nakita po sa ato ang mga engineer nga pinaka best option gud po siya, Madam Chair. So that's it. Thank you.
Noted, Honorable Lim.
Honorable Romero.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I concur option 1. It's best for me because I trust the wisdom of our engineers. Thank you.
Noted. You are for yes.
Honorable Suiso.
I concur because I believe we have to solve the problem nga ang ato ang 460 ka mga individuals nga maapektuhan at tagaan ng solusyon. Thank you very much.
Noted, Honorable Suso.
Honorable Bation.
I concur the first option, Madam Chair.
Okay, noted, Honorable Bation.
Honorable Dayundon. Honorable Duhay Lungsod.
Based on the recommendation, Madam Chair, sa special committee nga na-create regarding sa situation sa road right-of-way sa Barangay Gango, I believe that the first option is the best due to the recommendation also of our legal and, of course, our engineers and CPDO and, of course, the assessors. That's why I concur for the first option, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Noted, Honorable Duhay Lungsod.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For me, 460 plus ka mga individuals ang affected for moral and legal obligation, prefer ko sa option 1.
Option 1.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Noted.
Honorable Lau.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. Under the easement on right-of-way, the law states that the shortest to the highway or the street. Since the property of Mr. Chong is the shortest way to the street or the highway, so option 1 is the best.
Noted, Honorable Lau.
Honorable Sakin.
Honorable Chair, I am in favor of option number 1, Honorable Chair, because option number 1 is the shortest road. Second, mauna ni ang naandan nga agianan sa mga tao since birth, Honorable Chair, because I am in Barangay Gango. So, the best option siya nga diha nato i-realize among dalan, Honorable Chair. Although, na ay mga ginagmay nga mga problema, but we come up for the best solution. So, first option, Honorable Chair. Thank you.
Noted, Honorable Sakin.
Honorable Waminal Jr.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the betterment of everyone, I choose first option. Nakita magod ako nga the best option. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Noted, Honorable Gam.
Honorable Tapayan.
Chair, I concur with the recommendation of the Technical Working Committee, option 1, for following reasons. Option 1 is the shortest and the most convenient route for a road that way for the residents of Porokdos. Option number 2 requires additional 10 meters compared to option number 1, 50 meters lang sa property ni Mr. Willie Chong. So, times 6. Times 6. 350. Kung wala sa kanan, they will be required to walk a longer distance of 10 meters instead of 50 meters. Okay lang na sa kanan. The third option is a long shot. It requires an opening of a new road, no? And consent of the property owners. Option number 4 is also not feasible because it will disturb about 3 property owners nga gagmay ilang property. Makuan pa yun. Na it will disturb their privacy. Compared to option number 1, hindi ma-stop si Pwechong. Ikural naman nila. Na may kural na lugay na gamit. On that reason, I concur with, again, I repeat, I concur with the recommendation of the Technical Working Committee on option 1.
Honorable Moralion.
Noted. Honorable Moralion.
Okay, Madam Chair, good afternoon. For now, wala pa man tay lain po nga masulbad yun ana problema, so I choose option 1.
Madam Chair, 12 voted for option number 1 as recommended by the Technical Working Committee.
Okay. Considering that there are 12 members voted for the option 1, per recommendations of the Technical Working Group, the chair declares that option 1 is considered.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. With that, as I said, we cannot order the owner of property to open his private property. In the same manner that we cannot order anybody to close his private property, Honorable Chair. But this matter has still a remedy. And in accordance with our decision, because our decision will be a very good documentary evidence to the court, every case will be filed in court. So, with this, I will recommend to pass a resolution. Whereas the City Council, as Committee of the Whole, conducted an investigative hearing to hear the complaint of more than 100 residents of Porokdos, Gango, Samin City on their desire to have a permanent easement or road that way from the residents to the highway. Whereas this August body has created a Committee of the Whole, Technical Working Committee chaired by Honorable Cecil, Chairman of the Committee on Zoning and Housing, with members Engineer Muma Ilanik, our City Engineer, Melanie Sipres, our CPD Officer, and Samuel Kistota as our City Assessor, to conduct an inspection of the area of the controversy and submit their appropriate recommendation to this August body for our decision and appropriate action. Whereas this August body as committee of the whole have heard all stakeholders, the barangay officials of Barangay Gango, the residents of Purok Dos, including the Pil family, the Shibales family, the Paprika family, whose lots are affected. And also we have heard Mr. Willie Song, the property owner, whereas the critical committee headed by Honorable made a recommendation that there are 4 options, option number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and the best option is option number 1. After presenting the pros and cons of the said options, whereas this August body have decided unanimously by nominal voting, concurring and adopting the recommendation of the working committee that the best option is option number 1, which is the shortest and the most convenient option for the residents of Barangay Purok Dos of Gango, San City, to have their estimate of road right of way. Whereas this August body has no authority or right to adjudicate the desire or the complaint or the petition of the resident of Purok Dos, Gango, San City, nor does the LGU of SAMIS have any authority or power to adjudicate the sin, including the Barangay Council of Gango. So, Honorable Chair, I move this motion with assist to request the affected residents of Barangay of Purok Dos, Barangay Gango, Osamis City, to file a case in court petition for estimate of road right of way with prayer for preliminary mandatory injunction or TRO as a temporary remedy and finally to have a permanent easement or access of our road right of way, which they have been using for more than 50 years in Purok Dos, Barangay Gango, Osamis City. That's the resolution also subject to any amendment or any revision or modification by my colleagues of the August body.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Florida. After such careful deliberation of this August body, it has been come up and being presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, the wisdom behind it, why this August body chooses option number 1.
For approval of the first reading with
Yes,
reservation.
for approval on the first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the extreme urgency, as a matter of public concern, because it involves more than 100 families and more than 400 individuals at Purok Dos, Barangay Gango, San City, on their desire to have a permanent easement or road right of way from the residence to the highway. I move this motion to request the barangay residents affected, barangay residents of Purokdos, Gango, San City affected by the controversy to file action in court for easement or road right of way against Mr. Willie Chong, unless Mr. Willie Chong can offer an alternative of shorter and more convenient road right of way for approval, second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Honorable Chair.
Manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to approve this resolution and the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules as being manifested. We have all heard the justification towards this resolution. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The case to be filed in court shall be supported by this Office body and by the LGO of Samin City, Honorable Chair. And we hope that it will provide an immediate solution kay ang kaso i-file na may temporary remedy, the fastest, smoothest na rate o preliminary mandatory injunction. May orderan si in the meantime, hiringon pa ang kaso, orderan si Mr. Chong i-open ay ang property kay close pa na karon. And I guess depende sa lawyer, we damage this. Kaya na may damage ang mga taga-Purokdos. After a talk with the city admin and also the mayor. So I congratulate everybody for doing this job. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Of all your manifestation this afternoon, is there any query o doon na may mga pangutana for some clarification? May we hear from you? Kasi doon na may mga pangutana towards the manifestation of our Majority Floor Leader. He has spoken so much for our own desire or kanang referrals or reference. Wala na.
If there are no more, I think we have done our job. I move to adjourn the committee hearing, Honorable Chair.
Committee hearing is adjourned.
One TV special report.